Hello, my name is Alexis Burnett, and I will be persuading you to support the Alzheimer's Association. First of all, we all know everyone who may be heartbroken or damaged or have problems with this disease. Many people we may know is fighting this disease. But luckily, a group of supporters came together to raise money and care to help the caregivers and the patients dealing with this disease. As the disease increases, the means of communicating about this disease to people who have never dealt with this disease or seen anyone who has been through the disease and is going through the disease needs to be more broadcast to everyone that can support and help find the way this disease causes a person's life. In this speech, I will be discussing the different ways that you can support this group as well as participate in bringing awareness, volunteering, and making donations. So the first way that you can support this group of individuals is participating and bringing awareness. In Benjamin Regina, A Plan to Address Alzheimer's Disease talks about how to bring awareness and spread the information about the disease to everyone, as well as the consequences it brings to the family members. In order to bring awareness, a special month that the association has marked is October, and this month helps bring awareness. So in order to have the purple ribbon for the awareness month for Alzheimer's, everybody will show those that you do not know to bring awareness to your workplace and schools. It will help those in need that have this disease increase. Therefore, hosting your own Alzheimer's benefits and spreading the disease information will help not only you, but will help those that do not understand what the disease can do to somebody's life. Now that I have discussed how to bring awareness about this disease, let's move on to the next point, volunteering for this group. Volunteering is a great way to bring awareness to this association and to the disease. Now, participating in the Walk to End Alzheimer's, joining a campaign, and working as a clinical trial to experience hands-on with patients with disease. With this disease, there's a lot of factors in participating in volunteering. For example, if you go to a assisted living and volunteer to help the nurses with these patients, you will experience how the patients react to you, how they respond to you, and how they feel for you. They do not understand how it feels to be fully minded individual. You're also able to research new ideas and ways to help these patients to understand what it means to be alive. New ideas can be anything from gumdrops, candies that look like gumdrops but they have water in it, to all the way to having a mindset of knowing who they are and what they are doing on this earth. In a broadcast way about this disease, volunteering helps people know what you are doing for them and understanding and participating in this broad concept of Alzheimer's. Now that I've discussed volunteering, let's move on to the next point, which is making donations. Making donations is a big thing for Alzheimer's Association. If you can sell money, sell desserts, sell sweets to donate to the group, that will be great. They love people that do that. And showing the love and support that you have towards others. In conclusion, knowing that people that have this disease, it can be very painful and very unknown to those that do not understand what it is. Therefore, we need to push the awareness of this disease. So, in order to do this, we need to raise communications and present a way for this disease to get to others. From this speech, I discussed the different ways that you can support this group about the disease, and that is participating and bringing awareness, volunteering, and making donations.